Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings, and right here we have to find the proper section, which is in the second section from the top, the gestures. So let's tap on them. Now we have to find system navigation, and as you can see we've got two different options. All we will have to do is to tap on the gesture navigation to apply it. Before, just a quick disclaimer, because as you can see we've got the 3-button navigation options right here. So if you'll decide that you want to stick to this navigation type, you can customize it here. However, the only option is to customize the home assistant, so it's up to you. Let's start with setting the gestures, so let's simply tap on this option, and as you can see, instead of the 3 buttons we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. You've got the animation right here. However, I'll show you how to use the gestures in a second. Let's enter the settings, so we'll check what we can customize it here. So we've got the digital assistant, so you can swipe to invoke the assistant, it's up to you. The back sensitivity, and I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, because you will be able to decide whether you need this area to be kind of higher or lower. So it's up to you. And we've got the navigation bar, and so this line we can decide whether we want to show it or hide it, and I prefer the hidden option, so let me pick it. So in order to get back to the previous page, just like using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center of your device, and you can do it from the left side. Just release the finger after seeing this arrow, and from the right side it works the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center, and this motion should be quick and short, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, elongate the last gesture, so from the bottom to the center, and hold your finger somewhere here, and after releasing you can see the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.